mathematicians! Today we've got a problem called saving for sneakers. This is a real-world problem, one that you might have to solve yourself if you were saving up for sneakers. So Ellie wants to buy sneakers that cost $75. She saves $5 each week. How many weeks will it take for her to save enough money? I'm highlighting the important pieces of information. And if I wasn't able to highlight, I would take notes. Go ahead and pause the video now and try the problem by yourself. See if you can solve it before watching me do it. That's how good mathematicians learn. So here I'm writing the important pieces of information down. $75 sneakers, $5 a week, and then we're looking for how long. How many groups of 5 inside 75? And the way we're going to do that is by dividing. If I divide 75 by 5, that will tell us how many weeks it will take. There's 1 5 inside 7. And then I'm going to bring down the next 5 in the ones column. And there are 5 5s inside 25, and that leaves us with no remainder. If you need a refresher on long division, I have lots of videos about long division. So it will take 15 weeks. It will take Ellie 15 weeks to save up for sneakers. Have a great day, mathematicians.